Adam, how are you? Can you hear me? Can you hear me, mate? Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. I can see you. I might see if I can get a big
Yes, hello, thank
screen.
you.
You okay?
Yeah, yes, I can hear you.
Yeah, that's all right. All right, that's good. Yeah, as you know, I'm in Cambodia now, so yeah, it's pretty hot here. It's 39 degrees Celsius. So, um, but yeah, because it's online, I can do it from Cambodia.
And
Yeah.
you're in Cambodia now?
Yeah, yeah, here now. I've been here since Sunday. So Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. What day is it? I keep because I'm on bit like on holidays. I forget what day it is half the time. It's Tuesday. No, it's Wednesday, isn't it? Wednesday.
How uh,
Yeah.
how is Cambodia? Your feeling?
What's that?
How is Cambodia?
It's hot, but it's a dry heat, which is a bit like Australia heat. Anyway, um, we get really hot in the summer, so I'm used to it. But I've got a pool here, like in the hotel I'm staying at. So this morning I spent a fair bit of time in the pool. It was good. All right, mate. We'll get going. It's probably this one has probably been the hardest test so far. Uh, so just see how you go. Everyone's found some parts of it a little bit difficult. I'm just making sure. Um, yeah. So it's the same as every week. 3 parts. That second part, you get that minute. So the first topic is apartments or housing. So it says, do you live in an apartment or a house?
Yes, currently I'm living in a house with my parents, with my family.
Yeah. Okay. All right. And how long have you lived in this house?
Yes, maybe 26 years old when I were born.
When you were born? Yeah.
Yes,
So you've always
26.
lived in it. Yeah, yeah. You've always lived in that house. Okay. So what do you like about the house?
Yes, I think the house, about the house, we have maybe feel familiar more than the apartment because
Yeah.
uh, I like the space, I like the convenience of the house more than apartment. Yes, I think so.
Okay. Yeah. Um, so the next part is what do you dislike about the house?
Sorry, can you repeat?
Yeah, yeah, I can repeat that. Is there anything you dislike about the house?
Yes.
Yeah.
Uh, yes, I don't know because I think I like my house very much. I feel comfortable and very convenient, very relaxing, very convenient for me. So I don't know how what I dislike about my house.
That's
Sorry.
all right. That's it doesn't matter because Wendy, the girl before you, said there was nothing she disliked about her house as well. Yeah, so that's all right. It's not like a right or wrong. Some of the others just said they'd like to paint it. Someone else said that they wanted an extra wardrobe, and yeah. So if there's nothing you dislike, that's fine. But is there anything you would like to change in your house? Like change anything?
Yes, if I have the opportunity to change my house, I will maybe expand my square of my house
Okay.
and
yeah,
I will build a garden and a pool in my house to
yeah,
relax, to chill out, and yeah, this feels very more natural than now.
yeah. Okay, yeah. That's yeah. I think everyone would like a pool. Um, Not everyone has pools. Um, do you? Do you? Oh, sorry. Would you prefer to live in a small town or a big city?
I think I prefer living in the big city because it's very convenient to go somewhere to get information, to have opportunity for job, to have the opportunity for the market to when you to buy something. Many convenient, many benefits more than in small town. But sometimes I want to live in a small town to relax, to refresh my mind. It's also good, but I prefer living in the big city.
Yeah, yeah. So that, again, it's no right or wrong. Different. Everyone has different preferences. Some said very similar answers to you. And some were a little bit more definite. But yeah, that's fine. So that's the. Oh no. Yeah, no. That is the first part. The test is a little bit short. Seems a little bit shorter this week. I'm not sure why. But anyway, so we're into the second part where you get a minute. So make sure we go or you understand it. Describe a lake, a sea, or a river that is important to Vietnam. So you got to pick a lake, sea, or a river, and then you've got a minute to think about it. Give you a minute. All right, mate. You okay?
Yes,
Ready to
yes.
go? So what is lake, sea, or river? What is it?
I think I will tell you about the Mekong River. Can you hear me? Sorry.
Think river. Yeah, Mekong. Yeah, yeah.
I can hear
Did you
you.
say the? Did you say the Mekong?
Yes, I will tell you about the Mekong River.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah,
About the Mekong River, in the south of the south of the Vietnam. Yes, it's maybe the big river in Vietnam, and
yeah,
it's provide the nutrition for better fuel. Yes, and for the farmer to plant vegetable and to fishing, many things for
yeah,
the job, many things to do with the Mekong River, and it have create more job for the farmer at the south in Vietnam. It's also uh, destination for traveling. Yes, we can travel along the Mekong River to go to some Iceland, some river Iceland, or some
Yeah,
we can travel along the Mekong River to visit some famous place in the south in Vietnam. It's also have history of the Mekong River or the place. Yes, I think the Mekong River provide many things for the farmer, for the job of the south in Vietnam. Is a
yeah,
the important river in Vietnam.
yeah. I think very, it is an important one. So the question, next question is, how long or big is a how long or big? You don't have to give the exact measurements, but how long or big is it?
How long to visit there?
No, how long or big is the Mekong River?
Yes, actually, I don't know exactly how long and how big, but I know it's the biggest a river in Vietnam, and you can search the long or the big of the river on the internet. I cannot know
Yeah,
exactly. Sorry.
no, I don't think they want an exact answer. If you just think if it's a long river, well, the Mekong goes through about four different countries, doesn't it? So
Yes,
it starts from China, doesn't it? Like it's
China,
yeah, it's a
Cambodia,
big river. So what it goes through Thailand and Laos, doesn't it, as
Cambodia.
well,
Yes.
and Cambodia as well, does it? Yeah, okay. Yeah, so yeah, so it's got to be a big river because it goes through so many countries. Yeah, which is interesting. There's probably not that many rivers in the world that go through a lot of countries,
Yes.
as many as
Not
that.
many.
So yeah, yeah, it's very important to other countries as well as Vietnam. Yeah, it's very important. Um, the next part is do you think people, do people swim in the Mekong River?
Yes, I think in uh, in the south, in the countryside of the south in Vietnam, I think many people swim on the river. Yes, maybe the kids swim or the people adult can swim
Yeah,
for washing or for fishing or for anything you do. They do. I think
yeah,
they swim on the river.
yeah. Okay, so that I think when I went to Thailand, I reckon no, I did see some people swimming in the Mekong. Yeah, so I imagine that would happen all the way along. The last question is, why do you think it's important? But you Why do you think the river is important? But you've really explained that. Did you want to add anything to what you said? It says, why do you think the Mekong is important?
Yes, as I say earlier, the
Yeah,
Mekong River create a lot of job for the people. Is maybe fishing, maybe for planting, for traveling. Yes, it create many jobs to the economic of the south in Vietnam, and it's create many jobs for the people to live. Yes, to live in
yeah,
Vietnam. It's so very important.
it's important. Yeah, and also if people swim in it, there's that sort of relaxing part of it as well. Um, so, do you think it's safe to swim in the Mekong? Do you think it was safe to swim in the Mekong? It's just your opinion. It's no right or wrong.
I think it's if you know how to swim, you can swim in the Mekong River. It's very safety because we don't have the strong way in the Mekong
Okay.
River.
Yeah.
It's maybe
Yeah.
beach way in the Mekong River. So I think we can swim very safety if you know how to swim. Yes, it's
Yeah.
very safety.
Yes. I think it's important to know how. All right. Well done. That's that part of the test. So we go to part three. So the question is, why should children learn to swim? Why should children learn to swim?
Yes, I think it's a very important skill for everyone because if the children learn about swimming, he can they can they can avoid in the dangerous situation
Right.
when they on the river on the beach. They it
Yeah.
can have them to protect protect ourselves,
Yeah.
and maybe more. If children can swim, they can have many people to rescue from the river if they don't know how to swim, and
Yeah.
it's a very important skill for everyone. I think so.
Yeah. It is. So does swimming get taught at school in Vietnam?
Uh, I think I know swimming is optional sport. It's an optional sport in Vietnam.
Okay.
They don't. It's not compulsory subjects,
Yeah.
but it is just an optional for student.
Yeah. Um, so do students get private lessons? Do students get private lessons? Like, do they get lessons from, say, a swimming instructor, or do they learn going to a swimming pool?
They learn swimming in swimming pool.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So in Australia, it's compulsory for people to, for schools to offer swimming lessons because like we're an island, so the sea's all around us. Most people live on the coastline. Plus, we've got three major rivers: the Swan River, the Murray River, and the Darling River, and a lot of people live along the rivers as well. So the government made it compulsory for schools to offer swimming lessons. So there's a bit of a difference between Vietnam and Australia in regards to that.
Vietnam is
Yeah,
just an optional, but I think it is so a compulsory subject because it's very important skill.
yeah. I think being near the water and rivers, seas, even lakes can be dangerous if you don't know. Yeah. Um, there's another question. Everyone got a bit stuck on this one, so don't if you don't completely understand it, that's okay. Most people haven't. And it's we're marking you on your fluency or how you answer it, not whether you know about it. If you know what I mean. If you don't really understand this question, that's going to be fine. It's just that it's part of the test. So just listen carefully, and I've had to repeat this to everyone. So if it needs to be repeated, we will. So rivers or lakes or seas used in human transport. That one or not?
Sorry, can you repeat?
I'll repeat the question, but I might have to ask it another way because I don't think it's, yeah. So, are rivers or lakes or the sea used in human transport? Do you understand that? Most people haven't.
About a river, the lake, and the sea,
Yeah.
I refer.
Yeah. Okay. So, Yeah, I'll have to explain it. I don't think the question's a great one. I think it isn't very well worded, and everyone said didn't really understand it. So don't worry like about that. So can humans be transported on a vessel or a boat on a river, lake, or sea? That's what the question is.
The transport on the
Yeah,
sea.
transported. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Or lake or river.
I understand your question. I think on the river, on the lake, we didn't use the pole. We didn't
Yeah,
use boat to ride to on the lake. Just
yeah,
just a shift. I think I think just a shift, a small
yeah,
shift to
yeah. Small ship. Yeah,
on the lake on the river. We can have a boat. We can have a shift to go to flow.
yeah,
Get to flow in on the river, and on the sea you can have many transport station, just
yeah,
at the hidden shift, the pole and
yeah.
canoe.
Canoe,
Yes.
canoe. Yeah, 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 yeah. Well done. The other one, it's a bit of a funny question because I don't think there's that many answers to it. But anyway, the other one could be like a cruise ship. You know, you have a cruise ship where people go on it and then they go and see places. Do you know cruise ships at all or not?
I don't know.
No. So sometimes there's like really big ships and people go on it for a holiday and they go from one island to another island to another island and to another
Uh,
island or from one country to another. They're called cruise ships.
yes.
Yeah, the biggest ships. I think it was a bit of a funny question because there wasn't that many answers to it. So, but you're the first one that said canoe. She did well.
Yeah, thank
Yeah.
you.
Um, and the test was shorter today, so I don't know why, but I don't. It's there for me. So that's it, Adam. That's the end of the test. But yeah, I reckon, yeah, one, you were the first one to say canoe, and two, I reckon the second part you actually expanded the conversation heaps better than because heaps better than normal. You taught well. You're fluent. I understand you. Sometimes you don't put in a lot of information, but that second part you gave a lot of information today. So it was really cool, really good. Good to see.
Yeah.
Yeah, and it's nice that I can keep teaching you guys. I'm enjoying it. So yeah. All right, mate. To ask, we could actually sign off. Do you want to ask me anything, or we can go if you like?
So today is the last day. You teaching us.
No, probably. Oh no, definitely teaching you next week. Definitely
You
teaching you next week. And if that all if next week works, I'm probably going to keep teaching you,
okay?
even though I'm in
This
a different
oh,
country.
so this week is not the last.
No,
The
this
last.
isn't the last week. Next week, but next week possibly the last. But if next week works, okay, I'll probably keep doing it. Yeah. So unsure. Can't give you 100% guarantee, but definitely next week as well.
And,
All right.
Cambodia, you also teaching the student like me.
Yeah, I'm teaching there, but it's during the day, so that's why I might be able to do it at night because tomorrow next week it's going to nights. Yeah, they're changing it. All right, mate. You happy with
Okay.
that?
Yes, I'm done.
Okay, lovely to see you again, mate. We'll keep in contact on the phone.
Yes,
From
yes.
every now and again, I'll send you a message. Check in. And so when go to Ho Chi Minh, we hopefully be able to catch up.
Yeah, thank you.
That'd be
We keep
really
in
good.
touch, and
Yeah.
nice to see you again. Yes.
Yeah,
So,
same here. Same to you. Okay, Henyap Lai and Thambit.
Acha.
Okay, bye.